Looking to set up RCON for your GMod server? You've come to the right place. Here's how. This guide is for SparkToast servers, but it should work for other providers as well. Check out our playlist on how to make a GMod server if you want a step-by-step guide on making a GMod server. What is RCON? RCON is a protocol that allows console commands to be issued by the server, or a remote console. The most common use of RCON is to allow server owners to control their game servers without direct access to the machine the server is running on. To go ahead and set up RCON on your server, you will navigate to the Files tab, Gary's Mod, CFG, and find the server.cfg file. Here you will then scroll down and go ahead and enter in the following value: RCON_password, quote, your password. Then you will go ahead and select Save Content. Once this is done, you can then go ahead and restart your server. Once your server is running once again, you can then go ahead and connect to your GMod server. Once you have connected to your server, you can go ahead and open the console and enter in RCON_password space your password. Some commands that you can run are God, which makes your character invisible, Buddha, which allows you to lose health but not die, Impulse 101, which gives you all Half-Life 2 weapons, and so on. Still have some questions? Drop a comment below or open a ticket in our billing panel. Please let us know if this guide worked for you.